the channel. So today we're with my cousin.
What's up, y'all?
We're here. We're about to go take pictures, and it's hot.
As fuck.
It's hot, but like, is this what they do to vlog?
I don't know.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go find a location, take our pictures. I'm gonna turn this off because we're gonna get copyrighted, and I'll be back when we do whatever we're doing. Okay, guys, so now we're at Mocha Asian Bistro. We took our pictures already. We're waiting for the seating outside. We're waiting for that to happen. I've never been here before, so I'm just like waiting. Thank you. We're just waiting right now to eat, and I'll talk to you guys when we get our food. So right now we're just kind of waiting because we kind of wanted to sit like under the shade, and it's hot today. So we're just waiting. This place is really cute. I'm gonna try to flip the camera and show you guys like what it looks like. So we're still waiting. I think they're doing it now. They're cleaning the table now.
No, she's still sitting there doing nothing.
I hate when people just like sit at tables. Like, sis, hurry up. Not you. I'm trying not to get these people on camera because I don't know if they feel comfortable with the vlog. You know, they get an attitude.
Right.
Turn up in here. Okay, sis. She didn't come to play. Yeah, sis. Oh no. Okay, I'll come back when the food is coming out because I can't right now. Guys, it's just like, first of all, I'm tired of the mask, so that's the first thing that I'm sick of. Second of all, the outdoor seating is cute and everything, but people think that we're in like Miami. Like, sis, we have things to do. So I'm gonna need for her to pack it up. And then he's mad loud. I don't know what he's doing back there. I'm trying not to get the camera on him. But it's just like a lot. Like the mask, the outdoor seating, everything is just getting to be annoying now. Like I'm ready to just go back into a restaurant, sit down, be served, and then call it a day. Like, how do I look with this cute outfit on and this ugly mask? Like, it isn't it anymore. Hold on, let me show y'all this man, because what is he doing? Hold on, I'm gonna try to show it to y'all. The hell has he got going on right now?
This day made a video. I need a drink. Like, I need something.
Guys, so we're finally here.
Ooh, they have lobster tacos.
It kind of sounds like not bad.
Like, not bad.
Not like super good, but it doesn't
You
sound
wanted
bad.
salmon, right?
Yeah, I get salmon like everywhere. For the appetizers, I kind of want. Do they have? Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna decide what I want because I can't talk to y'all right now. I got like some type of
Colors.
Yeah, it looks
There's
good.
like eggplant and stuff.
It's your
I
face
might
for
just
me.
dash.
Hey guys, so it's later in the day. We actually came back to Alana's house because everything was just like a lot. Like the food wasn't that good, actually. Like it looked good on camera, but it just tastes like they just threw some sauce on they just threw some sauce on meat. Like they threw some sauce on the shrimp, they threw some sauce on the chicken. It was just not like, the service wasn't that good, the food wasn't that good. It just really wasn't it. So we came back to Alana's house.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna tell you, don't go there. I just got out the bathroom. Don't go. Really.
It really wasn't that it was like terrible.
It wasn't terrible.
But it wasn't like, wow, I would definitely, it was just more like the scenery. Like, it looked cute. But I 100% would not like run back there.
Go.
I wouldn't go. It was just not. So right now we're just gonna be here. Actually, my vlog was really short. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was like 5 minutes. Who knew that it was this hard to why is your computer dead? Who knew that it was this hard to vlog? Like, is this what the vloggers have trouble doing? Like, making the vlog long? Is that why the vlogs be like from the whole week? Because it's hard to just sit there and talk about nothing. Like, I'm not talking about nothing.
Right.
For like 20 minutes. I'm literally not talking about anything. So we're probably gonna do like some type of girl talk or something to fill in the rest of the time. But yeah, stay tuned because Alana's pulling the cord and it's like pulling. Hold on.
There you go.
But anyways, yeah, we're gonna probably record something else. So stay tuned for another video after the vlog. And yeah. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. Last night I went home like pretty late, so I just didn't get to finish the vlog. But today I worked out this morning. I just got out the shower. And I just like did my baby hairs or whatever. And I'm about to do my meal prep. So that's gonna be like the last part of this vlog. But yeah, I worked out this morning, y'all, and I almost passed out. Like, I was in the backyard, I was working out. I got on like this little machine that my mom has. I was just like really working and I really am like exhausted. Like, I feel good though. Like, I feel like, yeah, like I'm really like working, you know what I mean? But it's also hot, so there's that. I'm not sweating. I just actually put like oil on my face because I've been trying to get my skin together. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be meal prepping. I might show you guys a couple clips of that, and then that'll be the end of this vlog. And also let me know if you guys liked this vlog, because like I tried to like switch it up and show you guys like what I typically would do in a day. So yeah, I'm about to do this meal prep, probably eat something, and then whatever else I do today, I'll vlog that too. So I'll see you guys. I'm excited because my package is from Shein, and Misguided came in, so I'll be doing some hauls on those. I'm waiting for my package from Fenty and one more package from somewhere else, but I forgot. But yeah, well, stay tuned for those hauls because I'll be doing those soon. I'm trying not to show my address on camera because I don't want to have to blur it out, but yeah. Okay, you guys, that was the end of this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed everything. I try to give you guys like a little like day in the life of like what I normally do. I meal prepped. I went out with my cousin yesterday. We're actually planning on filming some type of other video soon, so stay tuned for her back on my channel. And then also today I worked out, so I'm gonna try to like, I really couldn't incorporate me working out into a vlog because it was like I was really overwhelmed, because I don't typically work out, you know what I mean? Like I may walk, but I was actually working out today and it was like really overwhelming. So I'm gonna try my best to like keep that consistent. So like if I see any results, then maybe I'll give you guys like what I'll actually do and show you like how I've been working out. But in terms of the meal prep, I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna ask me like, what did I do? I honestly just looked up all the recipes online on YouTube, and I was just like, quick, affordable meal prep. And honestly, all the food costed like about $70 something, and it really made me like maybe 6 meals. So I think that was really good. And I really like enjoyed making everything. So yeah, my skin is like going through something right now. I don't know what it is, but yeah, let me know if you guys actually like this whole like vlog thing, because I know like, because I'm a smaller YouTuber, sometimes like people think it's boring when like people vlog and like show their life day to day, but I think it was pretty good. So let me know if you guys like liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see. I did get my packages today from Shein, and Misguided. So stay tuned for those 2 hauls coming up, and then I have another one for Fenty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, 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 yeah.